Imagine a machine so powerful, so resilient, that no terrain, no matter how treacherous, can stop it. A vehicle built not for city streets or leisurely road trips but for the most unforgiving corners of the earth. Today, we're venturing into the extreme world of unique tracked vehicles. Machines born from the perfect marriage of raw power and brilliant engineering. These are the champions of harsh environments, be it Arctic wastelands, swampy jungles, snow-covered peaks, or war zones where ordinary vehicles dare not venture. Each of these monsters has one purpose: to go where no wheels can, to perform tasks no standard machine ever could. From military operations deep in hostile terrain, to life-saving missions in natural disasters, and even scientific expeditions to the most isolated ice fields, these mechanical beasts are revolutionizing how humans move through the planet's wildest frontiers. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping journey as we dive deep into the designs, capabilities, and untold stories behind the most unstoppable tracked vehicles ever created. When it comes to tracked vehicles that blur the line between military precision and luxury adventure, the Ripsaw EV3F4 stands in a league of its own. Originally developed for the US military as a high-speed, unmanned ground vehicle, the Ripsaw has evolved far beyond its combat roots. This version, the EV3F4, is a civilian model built with the same jaw-dropping performance and menacing presence but redesigned to comfortably carry up to 4 passengers inside a futuristic armored cocoon. Under the hood lies an 800-horsepower 6.6-liter Duramax turbodiesel 5.8 engine, capable of launching this 10,000-pound beast to speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour. And yes, we're still talking about a tank-like machine that rides on tracks. With a fully independent suspension system, aggressive rubber treads, and an incredibly low center of gravity, the EV3F4 glides over deep mud, broken rock, and snowdrifts like they were nothing but speed bumps. But it's not just brute force. Inside, the cabin is lined with ergonomic seating, digital control panels, and military-grade communication and GPS systems that make it as intelligent as it is intimidating. Whether you're headed into uncharted wilderness, responding to a natural disaster, or just showing off your next-level weekend ride, the Ripsaw doesn't just transport you, it dominates the ground beneath you. There's a reason it's a favorite among explorers, tech enthusiasts, and yes, even Hollywood action heroes. And the Storm MPV is the armored juggernaut built for war, rescue, and everything in between. Short for multi-purpose vehicle, the Storm MPV is more than just a name, it's a declaration of all-terrain dominance. Developed with both military and emergency response in mind, this hybrid amphibious beast is powered by a cutting-edge electric engine paired with a diesel generator, together churning out a staggering 2,500 horsepower. That level of raw force isn't just for show. It propels the Storm to top speeds of 88 miles per hour, an almost surreal figure for a vehicle that can wade through flooded streets, climb steep embankments, and tear across deserts with equal ease. But the Storm isn't just about speed or strength. It carries up to 10 passengers in a cabin that's both armored and thoughtfully designed, offering payload capacities of 7,716 pounds on land and 4,410 pounds while floating across water. That's right. This tank not only swims, but it does so with elegance, smoothly transitioning from land to aquatic missions without missing a beat. Its reinforced rubber tracks grip loose sand, thick mud, and icy terrain with precision, while the body's bullet-resistant plating makes it a trusted partner in hostile environments. Inside, operators are treated to advanced navigation systems, multi-channel communication tools, and environmental controls that ensure comfort and command in the harshest conditions. Whether deployed in conflict zones, used for disaster relief in hurricane-struck cities, or navigating remote industrial sites, the Storm MPV is built to endure, protect, and deliver, anytime, anywhere. Now imagine a tracked vehicle not built for war or adrenaline-pumping adventures but for quiet endurance in the most unforgiving climate on Earth. That's exactly what the Venturi Antarctica was engineered for. A fully electric exploration machine designed to operate in the blistering cold and white silence of the South Pole. Built by the Monaco-based Venturi Group, this trailblazing vehicle is the first of its kind, emission-free, whisper-quiet, and specially tailored for polar research. Powered by twin 60-kilowatt electric motors, the Antarctica reaches modest speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour. Not fast by conventional standards, but in the slippery, sub-zero terrain of Antarctica, that's more than enough. What makes this vehicle remarkable isn't speed, but sustainability and precision. Its rubber tracks exert low ground pressure, meaning it glides across snow and fragile ice surfaces without damaging the ecosystem beneath. Crucial for scientists working to understand climate change. With space for 6 passengers, it's equipped with an advanced heating system, ergonomic seating, and generous storage space for scientific instruments. Its powerful batteries offer a range of up to 124 miles in normal conditions and about 31 miles in extreme polar temperatures, enabling extended missions without sacrificing performance. Zero emissions mean it doesn't contaminate the very environment it's meant to study, a vital feature for sensitive climate research. The Antarctica is not just a vehicle, it's a moving lab and a lifeline for expedition teams who rely on it to reach remote research sites safely. It embodies the perfect blend of cutting-edge electric technology and ecological responsibility, proving that even in the harshest conditions, innovation can be clean, efficient, and purposeful. Now let's shift gears to a machine that's smaller in stature but massive in utility, the mud tracks. This compact amphibious tracked vehicle may not carry the bulk of a military giant, but its agility and ruggedness make it a standout performer. Built for maneuverability in spaces where larger machines would struggle or fail altogether, it comes with a choice between a 75 horsepower Ford 2.5-liter gas engine or a 74 horsepower Hatz 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine. With a top speed of 18 miles per hour and seating for up to 4 people, it's not just practical, it's also remarkably versatile. But what really sets the mud tracks apart is its amphibious capability. High-traction rubber tracks give it impressive grip over wet, muddy, snowy, or rocky ground. And when it hits shallow water, it keeps going. No need to stop or switch vehicles. Its low center of gravity and lightweight frame enhance stability while making transport and deployment easier. The interior is designed with intuitive controls and the seating is ergonomic, ensuring comfort during long hauls. Next up is the Mudox Fort Mac, a powerhouse of durability engineered to take on the most punishing terrains. Under its hood is an 85 horsepower Ford gasoline engine, providing the torque and drive necessary for both speed and heavy-duty utility. It can carry up to 6 passengers across land and 4 on water, seamlessly transitioning between terrains. What makes it especially appealing is the choice between rubber and steel tracks, allowing users to customize the vehicle. Its reinforced steel frame and rugged components are purpose-built to withstand years of hard use. With a payload capacity of up to 2,500 pounds, it serves as a mobile base for gear transport and emergency supply drops. Now let's explore the TingerTrack ATV, a truly versatile amphibious machine that stands out for its ability to adapt effortlessly between land and water. At its core lies a robust 57 horsepower petrol engine, delivering reliable power to maneuver across a wide range of terrains. This all-terrain vehicle isn't just about raw strength, it's about smart engineering. It can comfortably seat up to 5 passengers on land. Its wide rubber tracks provide exceptional traction on soft, unstable surfaces like snow, slush, sand, and swampy mud. What sets the TingerTrack ATV apart is its modular design. This adaptability allows it to be configured for a wide variety of missions, whether it's hauling cargo, ferrying emergency responders, or acting as a mobile command post in difficult-to-reach zones. It's built to endure the elements, boasting a tough outer shell and a spacious interior that ensures safety and comfort. Let's shift gears and take a closer look at the Sport B13 Mar, a compact yet powerful track vehicle built for thrill seekers. Unlike many larger utility-focused track machines, the Sport B13 Mar is designed with recreation in mind, blending speed, agility, and rugged durability. At the heart of this machine is a Briggs & Stratton XR 2100 engine producing 13.5 horsepower, enough to push this nimble beast to speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Its wide tracks provide superior grip and stability over rough trails, making it perfect for navigating everything from forest paths to frozen lakes. But this isn't just a toy for the daring, it's a tool too. With a towing capacity of 440 pounds, the Sport B13 MR also offers practical utility. Now let's turn our attention to a true warrior in the world of tracked vehicles, the Dozer Tactics. Built from the ground up for tactical military operations, this formidable machine is not just a transport vehicle, it's a mobile fortress. Engineered to endure the rigors of hostile environments, the Dozer Tactics combines military-grade durability with modern battlefield readiness. It's powered by a reliable 45-horsepower diesel engine, giving it the necessary torque and endurance to carry out long missions in demanding terrains. With capacity for up to 6 fully geared personnel, it functions as a tactical hub on tracks, capable of deploying squads into danger zones while keeping them protected and mobile. The vehicle rides on wide, rugged rubber tracks outfitted with a high-grip tread pattern that ensures superior traction across soft sand, wet mud, loose gravel, or snow-covered trails. Designed with both offense and defense in mind, the Dozer Tactics is available in armored configurations, offering ballistic protection against small arms fire and shrapnel, essential for combat scenarios, reconnaissance missions, and patrol operations. Inside the vehicle, soldiers will find an ergonomically designed interior featuring comfortable seating, ample gear storage, and mission-ready technologies, such as integrated radio communication systems and tactical navigation displays. Night vision capabilities and surveillance upgrades can also be fitted, turning this compact tank-like vehicle into a stealthy high-tech sentinel. The Dozer Tactics thrives in environments where wheeled vehicles would falter. Tight forest paths, unstable desert dunes, snowy slopes, and rocky outcrops all become manageable under its heavy-duty construction. It represents a fusion of brute strength and smart engineering, ready to serve in military, peacekeeping, and disaster response roles where mobility, protection, and tactical adaptability are paramount. Compact, clever, and completely unique, the Hamyak ATV proves that raw power isn't the only ingredient for conquering extreme terrain. This lightweight tracked vehicle may look modest at first glance, but don't let its size fool you. It's designed to punch above its weight in performance and utility. With a 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine tucked under its rugged shell, the Hamyak ATV can hit speeds of up to 27 miles per hour. But what really sets it apart is its unparalleled agility. Built specifically for solo riders, it's ideal for exploring tight trails, navigating dense forests, and slipping through narrow mountain passes where larger machines would get bogged down or stuck. The Hamyak rides on a set of continuous rubber tracks that provide exceptional grip on a wide range of surfaces, from sandy flats and muddy backwoods to ice-covered slopes and rocky creek beds. Its low center of gravity and featherweight frame allow it to pivot, climb, and maneuver with minimal resistance, turning even the most technical routes into rideable paths. With its minimalist design, the controls are intuitive and responsive, giving the operator full command of the vehicle's movement even during high-speed dashes or delicate off-road crawls. Despite its compact footprint, the Hamyak is built with strength in mind. The chassis is reinforced with durable steel tubing, offering protection to its internal components and giving it the resilience to handle tough rides. Ideal for hunters, solo adventurers, and field researchers, this ATV thrives where larger tracked vehicles would be excessive. It's easy to transport, simple to maintain, and versatile enough to serve in both recreational and light-duty professional roles. From crossing frozen lakes to reaching secluded wilderness camps, the Hamyak offers the ultimate in go-anywhere freedom. Its combination of precision control, dependable construction, and nimble design makes it one of the most intriguing vehicles in the tracked world. A true example of how less can sometimes deliver so much more.